Good morning, channel. What's up? Everybody meet my dad. Kira in the house, the racers. Anyway, we're actually videoing this from Jerez racetrack. We're here to see MotoGP. We came here to visit the family, but we are here watching the MotoGP races. Jerez racetrack is outside. We'll keep you posted and show you how it is. We just parked over at the little middle of nowhere type of thing. There are people camping. There are a lot of bikers like camping over there, which is pretty cool. All right, here we go. Let's do a little bit of a walk. There's tons of tents and campers over here. That is pretty cool. Everybody's walking over to the track and we're almost there. All right, so at the track, we get a bunch of little food stands, like where people partied up, and churro places. Like a churro place. And here's the entrance. Cool, you pass the security. And here we go. Right, let's go. So we're at the shops. And we're about to splash some cash and some merchandise before we hit the stands. Red Bull stand over there, Ducati, the doctor stands over here. So let's see what they got. They got some dope hats. We're about to snatch some umbrellas and hats and whatnot. Okay, so we're going to the Ducati stand. We just picked up a couple Valentino Rossi legit hats, and let's see. Officially 1 horsepower. So Mama got a Ducati keyring, and we're going to check out the Ducati stand. Some pictures. Vamos a pillar unas fotos. We got some pictures. We're on the way, and we're now finding our stands. They're cool, pretty stores around here. They got everything for everybody, and I gotta pee. All right, so we're going to X1. We just passed the stores down there, and we're heading to the X1 grandstands. It says too early, baby. Yeah, it's pretty early. It's not early for him. He's happy. All right, so here we are. We're in one of the main corners. We see the 3 corners before the main straight, basically. So this is the paddock. So that's the entry to the paddock. That's the Pramac office, Ducati office. Miguel Oliveira motorhome is ready, is there. So that's the paddock entrance for all the officials. That's Miguel Oliveira's truck. And that's the paddock entrance. That's the Ducati thingy-majigger and the Pramac Racing paddock. All right, so we're at the grandstands. We're pretty early. Now we see absolutely everything. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 corners before the main straight. The main straight is over there. These people up there on the grandstands already going crazy. We have the telly right there. We have the BMW safety car going at it. This is gonna be fun and a half. So we see so much stuff. We're gonna see so many corners. We'll keep you posted. This is fucking awesome. We get a little screen over there. So 9 o'clock. Rookies Cup, I think. I think it's a Rookies Cup over here right now. Get money on, baby. Quattraro. Pecco Bagnaia was 0.4 seconds ahead of Quattraro. That's consistent. Okay. My money is on Pecco. Go check it out. Parade lap.
Con una iluminación espectacular.
right, so we got Moto 2 going on right now. They're warming up, and here they come. They're all smoking. I think Moto 3 is louder than Moto 2. Little kids. Oh, here they come, here they come. Let's see Pedro Acosta. Mama Lee. Damn, that's noisy. Man, these guys are loud. Who's your money on? Jorge Martin. Okay, this is getting filled up, guys. Grandstands are packed to the mule. Everybody's welling out. We're getting ready for warm up. We got 2 little hats, jamon sandwich.
Good start, 42. Gas manufacturer Sergio Garcia rockets into lead. He will take the lead into the first corner. Guevara, the top man, second.
They're gonna come smoking. They light up already.
He did a 1:46.2 on the map before just completed, then a 1:46.6.
Sergio Garcia goes for the inside line. Around the outside goes Ethan Guevara, and it looks like the pole man, Ethan Guevara, will take his first career victory in the dry conditions. Ethan Guevara reigns in Spain. He wins an absolute classic, the Red Bull Grand Prix of Spain. Double joy for the Gas Aspart team. What a race. The pole man then backs it up with victory here in front of his home crowd. Stunning stuff.
Then in came Moto 2, then in came MotoGP. Now here's the bad news. Ran out of battery. It was hot as hell, so I couldn't film the rest of the video. So, but anyway, you guys now have an idea of what it is to be over in Jerez for MotoGP. Now you guys have an idea of what it's like to arrive, park, and just be somewhere. The X1 corner for us was like one of the best. And yeah, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, do all that nonsense so I can get some views and some monetization or whatever to do some of this. But I hope you guys had fun. Anyway, peace. See you in the next video.